Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're checking out the Xbox One and Xbox One S dual controller charge pack and docking station. This is by the brand ViDA. So we're going to check it out. It says ViDA Beyond Your Needs Xbox One/S dual controller charge station and battery pack. So, if you're using normal AA batteries, you know how fast you can go through those if you're playing a lot of games. And we've seen other ones. There's other charge packs out there, but this one looked pretty cool. You can see on the box right there, you take it, put it upside down right into the charger. Not a very big box at all. Looking forward to checking this out. Packaging is pretty nice. Got some nice little print going on there. And there's a couple different languages. It says simultaneously store and charge two Xbox One controllers. Charge batteries by themselves without the controller. Features red, green LED for charging status. Fast charging via Xbox One console. Includes two high-capacity rechargeable batteries and designed exclusively for Xbox One wireless controller and Xbox One wireless controller not included. So let's go ahead and take a look in the box of this ViDA Xbox One dual controller charger and docking station. Again, pretty nice packaging here. Let's open that up. That's how you get rid of the tape there. So there it is right there in the package. So in the first one, you'll see we have our first little battery pack, black battery pack there. Let's see if it says what type of battery it is. It says 800 milliamp. Can't really tell. A little bit too small to tell what type of battery. It just says Xbox One rechargeable battery right there. And then we got the second one here. So you can use this for two controllers. And this kit sells for about $20 or so. And pretty decent quality. It looks really nicely made, not flimsy or very, very light or anything. And then also comes with a little USB cable that looks like a standard USB, as well as a little getting started guide that you can see here. So we got that. And then finally, really stuck in there pretty good. So there is the actual unit where the Xbox One controller will sit into, or again, it says that you could do it just by itself. So not totally sure how that's it. Oh, there's another little piece on there, so you can probably do it that way. Let's see. Yep, so just looks like it would sit just like that. Look like any other way. It looks like it just makes contact, sits right there. And there you have it. You got your little USB port right there. And pretty nice. So pretty decent size. It's only about 6 inches by maybe 3 inches wide. And nice, sleek looking color, design, pretty decent weight to it. Really cool checking it and looking forward to checking this out. Again, this is the Xbox One dual controller charging station with the rechargeable battery packs by the brand ViDA. And we're going to check it out, see how it works, see how they last. So make sure to check out that review. And of course, if you like our videos, make sure to click the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.